check it, y'all. We got some Dave's Hot Chicken right here. Alright. Just tear the bag, I guess. It's alright. I ain't need it. Alright. Let's see what we got here. Oh, yeah. Let's put some pickles on one of them. I love pickles. Let's go in with the first slider, alright? Oh man, they're just stuck together. I mean, that's cool and all, but first slider. You might need sauce for that. Dip it in the sauce, you know. Not half bad. Alright, so that's the first slider. Mild, I think, or medium. Alright, I'm guessing this one's the hot one right here. Oh, yeah. Gotta be the hot one. Oh yeah. Good dip right there. Second slider, I'm guessing this one's a hot one. Let me be honest with you, I cannot tell which one's the hot one. They're not very hot. But okay, that one is that one is you got their fries, let's give that a dip and that. Both of these solid chicken sandwiches. This one I give an 9. No, not a 9. An 8.5 out of 10. First one, given like a 9.5. But they're both very good. I really recommend Dave's Hot Chicken. But they're both really good. That's the video. Appreciate y'all for watching.